Positive, negative. Alright guys, 2017 Honda Odyssey. Gonna get started with the driver's side headlight. This is the outer, this is the low beam. That's what I'm going to change. So you can see there's a large spacing right here. You can put your hands in there. For me, I could. So so that's where I'm gonna put my hands and start removing and disconnect the connector right about there. You can use the provided gloves, you can use your own. So first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the connector. So push on the tab and push down. So the connector here is disconnected now. You guys can see. Twist this counterclockwise. Easy as this. So here's the Auxito prong. This is the original. This is the Auxito. It's about the same, so it's a go. One thing to keep in mind also, if you look at the wire on the connector here, I'm looking at the wire right there. See the red wire? Red wire, that's the positive, the black is the negative. So if you're gonna plug it in, that will be the orientation, positive, negative. That's how it's gonna go in. Alright guys, so I'm going to follow the orientation of the adapter fit to lock it in place. The way how this is placed is wrong, so I'm going to follow the original. So in this case, I'm going to loosen this. Remove it. Just like that. Alright, so what I did is turn this counterclockwise until you can spin it, and then so I have this tab right here. Alright, and I'm gonna place it right here, and I'm gonna counterclockwise so that goes on top, just like so. 2, both sides that are angled, and obviously the wire is the bottom. That's where the wire is gonna go, right? Wire, so that's how it's gonna go. Okay guys, so this one is actually not locked, so it will just keep turning. Alright, so when I removed it, turn this counterclockwise and remove it. Now you guys see that there is the Allen here. There's a screw. Alright, so there is an Allen that came with this package, since that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to place this adapter fittings in here with this orientation like so, and I'm going to tie in this screw right here with the tool provided. Done, just gonna insert it in. Nice and tight. And then you're gonna fetch the wire of the Auxito, right? Fetch the wire of the harness, the vehicle harness. So what you're going to do is plus, negative. So plus, obviously you're gonna have to match the red one. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in. So it's plugged in. I'm not done yet. Alright, so it's installed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to strap that to a harness right about here. Strap that like that. Strap it like that. That's where it's gonna go. Okay. Again, with the provided harness. Again, I'm only doing this because I can fit my two hands in here. If you have bigger hands, obviously you're going to remove stuff like the snorkel intake here, air filter box snorkel. So I have it strapped right there. That's where it's gonna go. Alright. There you go. You guys can see the Auxito sign right there. This is the new bulb. It's in. It's nice and tight. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it in the other side. Alright guys, so this is going to be on the passenger side again. I'm not going to remove anything. I'm just gonna work just through these holes, and other hands will be going through these holes as I have small hands. So again, this is the bulb right here. That's the connector. So I'm going to disconnect the connector. Now I'm gonna turn this counterclockwise to remove the bulb. Alright guys, so this is the new Auxito here, H11, H8, H9, H11 compatible. So what I'm going to do is make sure that this screw is tight. So it doesn't spin on me. Alright, it's all good, it's nice and tight. Now all I need to do now is install the bulb. So being said, this is the wire, this will be the bottom. There you go, it's installed. Now I'm just gonna plug in the connectors here, and I'm going to see which one is negative, positive for the connector. Alright, so it looks like this is how the orientation is going to be. This is how the orientation is going to be. This will be the positive, negative. I'm going to insert it in just like so. So again, with my hands underneath, I'm going to just simply plug it in. Just like so. All right, that's plugged in. Now I'm just gonna strap it in, strap it in the harness here, just to make it look neat, you know, just like that. It's gonna be strapped like that. So with that strap in there, just gonna cut that. Just like that. Same thing on the other side. That's done. It's installed. This is the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. Got it strapped like that. I'm gonna cut that zip tie and I should be ready to go. I should be able to show you guys how it looks like. Wow, impressed. The lining, look at the lining. I am so impressed with the lining there. Wow, it's still bright outside, but obviously look how brighter it is now, and it's very obvious. Wow. And it's very obvious. Wow. We'll see how this thing drives at night. Let's go. Hay din mo ngayon saan? Ay, di may isang sila diyan.
Wait, natin aja ikuanan.
Pigsa.
Pigsa.
Ayos. Ayos
by linyana na yun niya.
Yeah.
Kita mo yung linyana, right? Oh. Bali na, gikat sa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, ito dito.